Hey everybody, welcome back to Sparks Fire and Baling Wire. Got the timing chain cover cleaned up. Those are the governor parts. I'm waiting to reassemble that. I got a gasket kit ordered. There's a couple seals go in there. I don't want to install or reassemble it till I get those new seals. Got the governor assembly cleaned up, the distributor. The coil I'm not going to worry about because I'm going to be switching this thing over to a 12 volt system from the 6 volt. I'm also going to be switching to electronic ignition at that time. So I'm not going to worry about the coil. Now when I was cleaning up the oil pan, there's a hole there. I think it must have been soldered shut at one time because it was not leaking oil. It was completely full of oil when I went to drain it. But when I put it in the blast cabinet, I've got a hole right there. And it's not rusted. And it's smooth. I don't know if this thing chucked a rod at one time and somebody hammered it back flat and soldered up the hole, or what happened. But anyway, I'm going to get that welded up. And then this rod for the governor is worn about halfway through right there. So I'm going to weld that up and grind it back down, get that ready to go. Well, I'm going to get these parts wiped down, throw a quick coat of paint on them, and then I got to get to work. So that's going to do it for today's video. Just a quick little update. Catch you next time.